Tonight, we create under the quiet glow of the full moon. A blank surface slowly transforms, just like nature does, layer by layer, moment by moment. The first sprays of paint become the night sky, deep, endless, mysterious. Now, the moon appears, soft, glowing, peaceful. It doesn't rush. It simply exists, lighting everything it touches. As the light spreads, mountains begin to rise from the darkness, strong, silent, timeless. They stand like guardians of the night, shaped by imagination and motion. With each new layer, the landscape breathes a little more. Shadows form, highlights awaken, and suddenly, a river begins to flow. It reflects the moonlight like liquid silver, calm, steady, and free. This is the beauty of spray paint art. Unexpected textures, natural blends, and moments you cannot fully control. Just like nature itself. The mist, the depth, the glow, they all come together to create a place that feels real, yet dreamlike. A place where there is no noise, no rush, only the sound of flowing water and the stillness of the mountains. Under the full moon, everything slows down. And for a moment, so do we. Art is not just about creating something you see. It's about creating something you feel. And tonight, we painted a feeling of peace.